Most people have never seen these machines, but once you do, you'll wonder why they aren't everywhere. Buckle up, because today on Wiki Machine, we're diving into the world of wild machines doing jobs you didn't even know existed. Ready? Let's roll! Meet the Brokk 900, your new favorite demolition robot. Ever faced a concrete wall that needs smashing but is just too dangerous for humans? This machine steps in with remote-controlled precision. Packed with 1.2 tons of crushing power, it effortlessly rips through concrete like paper. Built specifically for hazardous environments like nuclear plants, mining tunnels, and disaster sites, the Brokk 900 ensures human safety while doing heavy lifting. One remarkable application was at the Cuatro Torres skyscraper complex in Madrid, where the Brokk 900 cleared old foundations safely and efficiently, significantly reducing manual labor risks. With advanced stabilization systems and precise remote operation, it significantly outperforms traditional manual methods. At $300,000, it's pricey, but the increased safety and productivity easily justify the investment. Prinoth Panther T14R. Think large rocks, crashing waves, or shoreline swamps can stop the Prinoth Panther T14R? Think again. This tracked carrier is a beast when it comes to navigating the rugged, uneven terrain along the shores of Lake Michigan. Its robust rubber tracks distribute weight evenly, letting it power through muddy banks, shallow water, and jagged rocks without getting stuck. One of its best features? A 360-degree rotating dump bed that makes offloading heavy material in awkward or wet conditions easy. It's been used to excavate and transport massive boulders from shoreline reinforcement projects, proving it can handle the kind of natural chaos most machines avoid. When other vehicles spin their wheels, the Panther keeps moving. Trencor T16 Trencher. Forget traditional digging. Meet the Trencor T16, a machine that literally chews through the earth. This powerful trencher carves precise trenches up to 6 feet deep, primarily for massive pipeline installations. Imagine a giant chainsaw slicing effortlessly through solid ground. Used extensively during major pipeline projects across North America, it drastically reduces the project timeline and labor costs compared to traditional excavation methods. Its ability to handle rocky or densely packed soils without hesitation significantly cuts down the cost and complexity of major infrastructure projects, clearly justifying its million-dollar-plus price tag. Vacuum lifting spider. Ever wondered how massive, fragile glass panels get safely installed on skyscrapers? Enter the vacuum lifting spider, an innovative device using industrial-grade suction cups controlled remotely. This spider-shaped tool carefully lifts and precisely positions glass panels weighing up to 2 tons. It rotates and tilts mid-air for flawless alignment, significantly speeding up skyscraper construction and reducing the risk of accidents and glass damage. One notable use was on the facade of Dubai's iconic Burj Khalifa, where it efficiently handled complex, delicate installations. Skyscraper construction just became a lot less terrifying and much more efficient. Ponzi Scorpion King. Logging has transformed into a high-tech dance, thanks to the Ponzi Scorpion King. This sophisticated harvester cuts, strips, and stacks trees in under 10 seconds, operated from a glass-enclosed cockpit that remains perfectly level despite rough terrain. Its advanced sensor system automatically measures tree dimensions, ensuring maximum timber yield. Widely employed across Scandinavian forests, the Scorpion King significantly improves productivity and reduces environmental damage by minimizing ground disturbance. Watching it in action feels like witnessing a finely choreographed ballet performed with trees. Efficient, precise, and mesmerizing. MCON 900 Rebar Tying Robot. If manually tying rebar grids has you exhausted, say hello to the MCON 900 robot. Drop this compact machine onto your rebar grid, press go, and watch as it ties intersections 10 times faster than manual methods. critical for large-scale projects like stadium foundations and airport runways. It dramatically cuts hours of tedious labor into mere minutes. On the recent Los Angeles airport expansion, this robot reduced tying time by over 75%, significantly speeding up construction and enhancing worker safety by eliminating repetitive strain injuries. Efficiency has truly never looked so good. The Tigerstone bricklayer revolutionizes road paving by rolling out roads as easily as laying carpet. Feed bricks into this innovative machine, and it neatly arranges up to 400 square feet of perfectly paved road per hour. Widely used in urban projects across the Netherlands, it significantly reduces labor requirements and accelerates project timelines. Workers no longer suffer from repetitive stress injuries, and projects are completed with remarkable efficiency and uniformity. No more sore backs or chaotic job sites, just perfectly laid roads appearing like magic. Senebogen 735E Timber Handler. Ever seen a machine stack tree trunks effortlessly like matchsticks? The Senebogen 735E Timber Handler combines immense strength with remarkable grace. Its powerful hydraulic system allows for precise, smooth movements, easily handling logs weighing several tons each. Primarily used at sawmills and timber yards, this machine dramatically improves operational efficiency by quickly sorting and stacking timber. Its ergonomic design reduces operator fatigue, enhancing both safety and productivity. Watching this green giant at work is soothing and fascinating, like mechanical poetry, turning the demanding task of timber handling into a smooth, efficient operation. Road Zipper Barrier System. Ever wonder how they move concrete barriers between lanes without bringing traffic to a standstill? Meet the Road Zipper Barrier System, a mobile marvel that literally zips lanes in real time. This machine straddles a row of heavy concrete barriers, lifts them off the ground, shifts them laterally, and sets them down, all while cruising at 10 miles per hour. It's been famously used on San Francisco's Golden Gate Bridge to switch lane directions based on traffic flow. Before this tech, lane changes required hours of labor and often closed roads. Now, it's like watching highway Tetris in motion. It improves driver safety, reduces congestion, and saves cities millions in labor costs. Menzimuk Spider Excavator, looking like something from a sci-fi alien world. The Menzimuk Spider Excavator is one of the most versatile digging machines on Earth. Its spider-like legs move independently, allowing it to walk, climb, and balance on impossible terrain. Steep slopes, rocky riverbeds, even stairs. It's a go-to tool for emergency crews in landslides and floods, especially in the Alps and Andes, where standard excavators can't function. With hydraulic limbs and telescopic axles, it adapts to the landscape, not the other way around. Whether it's stabilizing a cliffside or dredging a stream, the Menzimuk handles it all like a mechanical mountain goat. Bagger 293 Bucket Wheel. Say hello to the Bagger 293, the single largest land vehicle on the planet. This German-built mining monster is 96 meters tall, 225 meters long, and weighs 14,200 tons. It's powered by electricity and features a massive rotating wheel lined with buckets that dig up 240,000 tons of coal every day. That's the same weight as 1,200 blue whales. You'll find it devouring landscapes in lignite mines across Germany. It replaces thousands of workers and excavators, dramatically cutting time and cost in surface mining. It's so big, it needs its own crew of drivers and mechanics, basically a small town on treads. Alamo Maverick Boom Mower. The Alamo Maverick Boom Mower is no ordinary mower. It's a roadside maintenance superhero. Attached to a tractor, this articulated arm can extend out 20 feet to tackle overgrown grass and weeds on ditches, slopes, and riverbanks. It's especially useful in areas where foot access is unsafe or impossible. Municipalities across the U.S. use it to keep roadsides clear and safe without endangering workers. The boom's flexibility and reach make it perfect for cutting vegetation around guardrails, signs, and drainage channels. Think of it as your city's silent landscaper, taming nature's wild edges while you drive past without even noticing. Gigapress by Hydra. The Gigapress, built by Italian company Hydra, is changing the way cars are made. Instead of welding together dozens of small parts, this industrial juggernaut casts entire vehicle frames in one shot. Tesla uses it to make the rear underbody of the Model Y, reducing complexity and boosting speed on the production line. One single press replaces around 60 smaller components, improving strength and consistency while cutting manufacturing time. It's also more sustainable, since fewer parts mean less welding, less waste, and more efficient use of materials. Your future EV, it might owe its slick build to this 430-ton behemoth. SLJ 900 Bridge Builder. The SLJ 900 isn't just a crane, it's a full-on bridge construction factory on wheels. This 580-ton machine builds bridge spans by lifting, transporting, and placing precast segments across pillars, all without the need for scaffolding. It moves like a train on top of the pillars, sliding the segments into place before moving forward to repeat the process. Used heavily in China's high-speed rail network, and now expanding into India, the SLJ 900 drastically reduces construction time and improves worker safety. Traditional bridge builds can take months with a small army of workers. The SLJ 900, it does it all in days with surgical precision. Concrete printing crane. Think 3D printing is just for plastic toys? Think again. The concrete printing crane takes 3D printing to an industrial scale, laying down layer after layer of concrete to build homes, shelters, and even military bunkers. This tech has been tested in disaster zones like Haiti and simulated Martian environments by NASA. With a robotic arm controlled by software, it creates structures directly from digital blueprints. No bricks, no mortar, just rapid results. It can build a small house in under 24 hours, making it a game changer for emergency housing and sustainable development. Just hit print and watch your future home rise before your eyes. Which of these machines blew your mind? Drop a comment, hit subscribe, and stay tuned. Because at WikiMachine, we bring the future of work to your screen.